Well, we've taken the Pool Vac Ultra completely apart and inspected the pieces and replaced them if necessary. We've got new parts here, so let me show you how to put the whole thing back together. As you can see, we've made quite a mess. That's exactly how I like it. The first thing we want to do to reassemble the Pool Vac is to put in the medium turbine assembly. And how we do that is we start in from the bottom, and it requires, well, it's 3 or 4 pieces. You want to take and set this bushing in place, push it in there. Now, it will have a little ridge here, so that's normal. Okay? Then you want to take the engaging gear here, put it in the top, flip it over, place this one in. Now, you can see that it's got a hex shape on it, so it's going to sit just so. Spin it till it goes right in there. Okay, so now we've got it half and half. We're holding it with both fingers. I'm turning it over, and a little tiny screw. So to get it in there, and you gotta wiggle it. Now I can't show you because I gotta wiggle it right. There we go. There it is. And now we're going to take our automatic drill, set on the very lowest torque setting, and just gently. There it is. Set nice in place. Make sure. All right. And then now on the back, we want to put in the actual turbine. This piece right here sits on top. We want to make sure it spins nice. Beautiful. Now, we're going to use these 2 pieces here as a guide, and they're going to go on the outside of this. We're going to hold it up. We're going to sort of sandwich it together right here. Now, again, this post is going to go into this little hole, and that has to happen. So you can see right in here, I'm sort of using this gate as a guide as it slides, wiggling it, and I can feel that post engaged, and we're 2 short screws away. From having the assembly installed. There she goes. All right, and there it is in place, moving smoothly, and we'll go on to the next phase.